please.
Yep.
Hey, this is Randy, the king of solar screens. I'm on location at the brand new Reality of Wrestling. You guys know King Booker T's place right here in Texas City. They hired me to come solar screen these 6 monster-sized windows that you could probably see. I've got a lot of glare in my eyes. And I'm also visited by yet another king, the Savage King. This guy's scary. That's the reason why he's in the video. I didn't want him to hurt me. But either way, first time ever, I'm gonna get the temperature of this window. And to the left of this window is a brand new 90% Twitchell solar screen that I just installed about 15 minutes ago. We're gonna see what kind of change is in the process. All right. So I am shooting this light. Whoops, I think I am. And right now it's still shown to be at about 98 degrees. So let me verify that, because a minute ago that was in the hundreds. Oh, here we go, here we go. I think I was just pointing a little low. Let's just call that, well, for a moment there it was at 100. Wow, 102. Beautiful. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slide to the window to my left, where we just put up against a 90% solar screen, again, made by Twitchell. 100% made in America. And let's see this. This has been up about 10 minutes, folks. Wow, 88 degrees. So we're talking a good 20 degrees difference. And that was just in minutes. Imagine when the temperature of this reaches 75, 80, whatever it is inside your home or your building. Imagine what that glass will be. And imagine how much money you're gonna save in your electric bill. Savage King, keeper or loser? Oh, it's a winner. You gotta love it.
It's a winner.
Ooh, it's a winner. The king of solar screens, by far. Solar screens, guaranteed to work. Ooh, yeah, they're gonna save you money for the rest of your days, baby. Oh, cranky. Oh, shoot.